dry skin, kind of sucky vibe, but you know what? We can make a difference by choosing the best beauty essentials for our skin type. So this video is long overdue, but let's get started with the most recent purchase, which is by Dior. Can you guess what's inside here? Okay, I fell in love with this new product that's just launched by Dior. And I love their Backstage collection, and especially the Rosy Blush. Okay, I searched high and low for this particular blush color, and it is rosewood. Okay, it's so sought after online. It's sold out. I went to a boutique in a mall. It's sold out. And by chance, I found it in another boutique. So super happy to get this cream blusher. Okay, so I love using cream blusher. To be fair, so I've been using these really cool lip and cheek balm by Chanel. And I love it, I love it. Okay, they're both in different colors. This is Ardent Brick, and this one is in lovely rosewood, also rosewood, by chance. Anyways, so I wanted to compare it with the new cream blushes from Dior. And you know, when we have dry skin, like today, all I have is sunblock, tinted sunblock, and some cream blusher. I think today I'm using Ardent Brick, right? And I wanted to compare the difference because I love cream blushes, and I wanted to see if Dior was better than Chanel. And so this is Rosewood by Dior. Simply stunning. Look at the shine. Okay, look at the shine. And this was my #1 pick. So ladies, especially premenopausal women with dry skin, stick to the cream blushes for daily use. I find it enhances our skin a little bit better than the dry blushes. I don't really use powder for daily wear except for events. And so cream blushes just glide on really easily and very easy to blend. So let's see what other color did I get. This is another cream blusher. And I mean, if I could choose more, I would, but I was trying to control my spending. Every month, I allow myself 2 to 3 beauty products. This is my new era of being more sustainable. And okay, so this is Candy. Do you know Candy? Have you seen it in the stores? And I also really love this color. Okay, this is Candy, and I'm going to show it to you side by side. It's almost the same, but slightly different. Yeah, let's see. So there you go. This is Candy. Candy has a little bit like a more corally hue with like a little bit like gold dust. Can you see? Can you see the reflection of the gold? It's so stunning, so stunning. So yeah, so I will try that and let you know how it goes. If Dior cream blushes are better than the Chanel lip and cheek. So you can use these for your lips as well, right? The Dior blushes. Excellent find. So ladies, cream blushes for dry skin in our premenopausal era is the way to go. Let's get on with the next unboxing. This is by Guerlain, and to be honest, I think this was bought way back in March when they were giving me a birthday promo, right? Some free gift. And yeah, I've been looking into Guerlain recently. I love Guerlain. You know, it's so cute, the packaging. It's just a pull-out ribbon. And what did I get from Guerlain? It's peekaboo. So, okay, Guerlain, they always give some beautiful perfume samples. I got, okay, let's see. I kind of forgot, but I know it was something to do with the lips. Yeah, I got the Bee Glow Oil, the lip oil in 306 Honey Glow. Oh yeah, that's right. I was in my honey era. And I wanted to try this lip glow oil. It's a lip plumping oil. Why is it not focusing? Let's see. Okay, yeah, and let's see the color. I've never tried Guerlain lip oil. I'm always, okay, so it's a very, very subtle tint, barely there tint, okay, yeah, which is perfect for me. I've been an advocate for the Lip Maximizer by Dior for decades, and I wanted to, you know, try the difference and change it up a little bit. So I will do a comparison video once I've tried and tested their Guerlain lip oil, right? And I think the texture is almost the same as the Lip Maximizer, to be honest. It feels kind of the same. Those who don't like the sticky feel, this is probably not for you. So this is Guerlain, and this is Dior Lip Maximizer. Yeah, so those who don't like the sticky feel, this is probably not for you, but for me, it's perfect. I love the hydration because it's filled with hyaluronic acid, which is very good for lip plumping. And yeah, absolutely in love with that too. Okay, and what did I get next? Okay, Kiss Kiss Bee Glow. Okay, it's 24 hydration, honey and beeswax infused. This is a color reviving lip balm. Okay, very, very similar to the Dior as well. I don't have the lipstick here, the Dior, what is it called? He's having a brain fart at that moment. So it's very similar to the Dior Addict lip glow. And I don't have mine here because it's finished, but I'm trying this new one by Guerlain. Look at the packaging, how pretty it is, right? I'm loving the packaging. And yeah, so pretty the color. It's also in honey glow, so I'm in my honey era. Instead of like the pinky era, I'm more into the honey era. So, oh, it's very moisturizing. I'm loving it already, right? So nice. Okay, so yeah. Dry skin, for me, premenopause also comes with dry lips. So lots of glossy lipsticks and lip balms will help with the lip moisturization and the plumping, and we do want that fuller lips and not the crinkled up lips, right? So, yep, ladies in premenopause, not only the cream blushes, but the lip balms and the lip glosses are a beauty essential. And what's next, Rob? Oh, another Dior purchase. This one, I think we bought it in April. It was for, oh no, it was in May, for Mother's Day. Yeah, this was for Mother's Day. Yeah, and I've kept it till now to do the unboxing because I was so busy preparing for our Italy trip. Do check out my Milan and Lake Como vlog. Oh, it was such a great trip. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Even till now, I'm mesmerized by it. Yeah, again, Dior packaging is always so superb. What's inside? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, now I remember. I got the Baume, the limited edition Baume. I love, love, love these hand creams or hand balms by Dior. I do own one already, and I saw the limited edition, and the pink and the tigers, and I was like, ooh, my Chinese zodiac sign is the tiger. I love everything tiger, and yeah, so I got this. I almost wanted to get the limited edition, the case cover with the pink, but I didn't get it because I knew I wasn't going to use it. So I'm trying to be a little bit more sustainable and stop buying so much rubbish and buy only what I need. So these are my Christian Dior lip balms. Loving it. And honestly, to compare it with Chanel, okay, these are the Chanel. This is the Chanel lip balm. I much prefer the Christian Dior. Somehow or rather, it feels a little bit more ergonomic to carry around, to press, and the quality, I much prefer the cream, also the texture. So that is by Christian Dior. Lip balm, hand cream is a must. I carry it around everywhere. So what are the beauty essentials? Cream blushers, lip glosses and lip balms, and hand creams. Okay, so this is a Chanel. We love our Chanels. Again, this is our recyclable packaging. Comes with a little dust bag, a little drawstring bag. I love these sustainable bags. And this purchase, you know, I recently saw Lily Rose Depp with this kind of lipstick vibe happening, and I wanted to, okay, these are the free samples of perfumes. Okay, I always get perfumes from my samples, even from Dior, right? So these are my samples. And I want to emulate this vibe. I'm like, you know what? I may be 51, but I think I can still rock it. So what did I get? I got the long wear lip pencil, and it's in Rose Natural 158, and Rose Natural. Okay, so I'm trying to you know, spice up my makeup, but in a natural way. I don't really like heavy makeup now that I'm in my 50s. I like everything, you know, hydration and natural and plump. So this is the color. And what I was going to do was I was going to use it together either with, sorry, wrong one, the new Guerlain honey, it's all honey glow, to give it, you know, that kind of vibe, that look that Lily Rose Depp was, and you know, vibing. So this is like the kind of dual combination I was thinking of trying out, and then with the new lip oil by Guerlain. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like Velvet. So this is the 3-0 combination I am thinking about. So yeah, let's see if it actually pans out and look just as good as Lily Rose Depp, the ambassador of Chanel. Yeah. So there you go, ladies and guys. This is my beauty haul from March. Since March. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay hydrated, ladies. Premenopause can get us down, but you know what? We can make a difference by choosing the right products. Okay. Happy weekend, everyone. Love and hugs from Saudi Arabia. Good day.